Alright, so just did some of the ISO tests with the Nikon D600 and compared it to the 5D Mark III. Not really a fair fight, but I just wanted to see how it would perform, and I thought it performed really well. What I did was I just used the picture styles, neutral picture styles from the camera, so it's not downloaded or tweaked out or anything. It's just neutral picture styles, dialed down the contrast. Then you use the same 85mm on both cameras. This is a Nikon 85mm here. So, you know, not super scientific, accurate, but just generally right out of the box, those are the ISO tests of the D600 in video mode.